हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं शिवम वाजपेयी और आप देख रहे हैं डिजिटल कक्षा। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्लेस वैल्यूज एंड फेस वैल्यूज। लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट द ऑब्जेक्टिव फर्स्ट। In this chapter or in this video we will discuss about how to find face values, how to find place values, okay, to know about extended form, how to write a number in extended form, and know about standard form. Okay, now what is face value? Let's see. Face value, it is basically the value of digit itself, how a digit look like. Okay, so here we have the examples. Face value of 0 is 0, face value of 1 is 1, face value of 2 is 2, 3 is 3. As you can see, from 1 to 9 the face value is the digit itself. Okay, now what is the place value then? Let's see. Place value is basically value digits in different places. Okay, it is the value of digits in different places. Okay, like we have various places in number systems, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Okay, so place value is basically the value of digit. Okay, here we have in this table the values of place values of various places, like one value of place, one's place is 1, tens place is 10, 100 place is 100, 1000 place is 1000, 10,000 place is 10,000, lakh place is 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, and so on. Now we'll see example. Okay, you have to find the place value of all digits in the given number. Okay, 1 stays 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so how will you read this number? 12 crore 34 lakh 56,789. This is how you read this. So we will arrange the numbers in the table given. So as you can see here, 9 is at 1's place, 8 is at 10's place, 7 is at 100 place, 6 is at 1000's place. Okay, 5 is at 10,000 place, 4 is at lakh place, 3 is at 10 lakh place, crore, 2 is at crore place, and 1 is at 10 crore place. Okay, the place value of 9 will be 9. Okay, place value of 8 will be 80, because you will multiply 8 by 10, because 10 is at 10th place. Similarly, 7, place value of 7 will be 700. Place value of 6 will be 6,000, because 6 is at 1000's place. Similarly, the place value of 5 will be 50,000. Place value of 4 will be 4 lakh. Place value of 3 will be 30 lakh. Place value of 2 will be 2 crore. And place value of 1 will be 10 crore, because it is at 10 crore place. I hope you get it. Okay, here we have place values according to international system. We have already discussed about various systems. That was according to Hindu Arabic system, and this is according to international system. Nothing changes, only how you say them is changes. Okay, the million group. Okay, so 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, and so on. So here place values are given. Okay, 1's place 1, 10's place 10, 100 place 100, 1000 place 1000, 10,000 place 10,000, 100,000 place is at 100,000. 1 million is this, 10 million is this, and 100 million is this. Similarly, you will write for billion. Okay, 1 billion, 10 billion, and 100 billion. You just have to increase zeros. Let's see the example. Find the place value of digits. Okay, so numbers, here the number is written as per the international system. Okay, to write numbers. So how will you read it? 512 million, 512 million, and 304,586. This is how you read it. Okay, let's see the solution. Here you will place the digit, okay, in the table. So 5 is at 100 million place, so the value of 5 will be 500 million. 1 is at 10 million place, so value of 1 will be 10 million. 2 is at million place, so value of 2 is 2 million. So these are place values. Okay, 3 is at 100,000, so place value of 3 is 300,000. 0, so one thing you have to notice, the place value and face value of 0 is always 0, because you will multiply the given number. So when you multiply 0 by 10,000, when you multiply 0 by 10,000, so what you will get? You will get 0. Okay, so this is how I have written it, 0. So place value will be 0. Okay, similarly you will have 4 is at 1000 place, 10,000 I think place. Here some problem is there, this 0 will not be here. Okay, the place value of this 4, because 4 is at 1000 place, so place value of this 4 will be 4000. Okay, so that was a typing mistake, sorry for that. Now we will see 100. Okay, 100 place, 5 is at 100 place, so place value of 5 will be 500. Okay, and 8, 80, 6 is 6. Okay, so this is how you find place values. So note is given, what I have already told you, 0. So 0 place value and face value of 0 is always 0. Okay, now see another example. This type of question always come in your exam. So you have to find the difference between place values and face values of 2 in the given number. Okay, so let's see the solution. Face value of 2 will be 2, and place value, because 2 is at which place? If you count it, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, okay, 100,000, then million. So the place value of this number 2 is 2 million. Then difference, you will find the difference. The difference will be 1,999,998. 2 minus कर देंगे आप. Okay, so this type of question will all many times come in your exam. Okay, now we'll see what is an expanded form. Okay, expanded form is nothing, how when you write any number in addition of their place values. Okay, in the form of addition of their place values. जो place values हम निकालते हैं, उनको जब हम add करके addition के form में लिख देते हैं, that is called sum of the place value of all digits. ठीक है, when you write a number as the sum of the place value of all digits in the number, so that is called expanded form. Okay, example, you have to write the expanded form of the given number. Okay, 12 crore 8 lakh 51,709. So how will you write? First you will place all digits according to the number system. Okay, so this is how you will place them. 10 crore, you know. So here you have the place values of all numbers. Then expanded form will be this. So you will write simply all these numbers, okay, as addition. मैंने प्लस का साइन लगा के यूज कर लिया. So this is the expanded form. Okay, this is the expanded form. So I hope it is clear. There is nothing rocket science or any difficult thing in this. Okay, now we'll see what is an standard form. Okay, so standard form is just opposite to expanded form. When we have expanded form and we have to write the number from the expanded form, that process is called to write the number in standard form. Let's take the example. Convert the following number into standard form. So you will write the place values. Okay. Step 1, what we will do here? Identify the places of digits. Digits is at which place? Here 4 is at lakh place. 4 lakh is the place value is given, 30,000, 5,000, 260 and 7. Okay, so place value will be 4 lakh. 3 10,000s are there, so 30,000, then 5,000, then 200, then 6 tens, so 60 and 7 ones are there. Okay, so first you have to identify the place values, which place the number is given, and arrange the digit according to the place values. Place values के according मैंने टेबल में digit को arrange कर दिया, as you can see here, है ना, 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh. So 4,35,267. So number this is how we write number. How will we read it? 4,35,267. Okay. Your answer 4,35,267. So this is how you will write standard form. So I hope everything is clear to you. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a good